Hello kids, today we will draw Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. So let's start. First draw the head. Draw a big curved line like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw a curved line and make it like a pear. Now draw the ear. Draw a curved line. Then draw a wavy line and connect it like this. Draw it like a leaf. Draw a line inside, and it's done. Now draw the other ear also. Do the same thing, and make it cute. Don't forget to draw the line, and it's done. Well done, look how great it's looking. Now draw the piglet body. Draw a big U shape, like this. Just draw like me, and it's done. Now let's draw the piglet leg. Draw the big curved line, then draw the foot and connect it. Good job, now draw the other leg also. Do the same thing, and look how great it's looking. Now draw the piglet hand. Just draw it like a curved tube. Draw it like a banana. Draw the other hand also. Well done, look how cute it's looking. Lastly, draw the face. Draw the eye first. Draw a small oval shape, and look how great it's looking. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Draw a small curved line on both eyes. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. To make the drawing more cute, let's draw some cute heart shape. Draw the heart shape on the left side. Now draw some more heart on the right side also. Draw a big heart shape and make it cute. It's very easy to draw. So let's draw another heart, and the drawing is complete. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. So let's color it. First use pink color and color the face. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Just color round and round, round and round, and it's done. Make sure not to color the face and eye. Well done, it's looking very great. Now use the pink color and color the hands. Now color the other hand also. Color slowly on the tube part. Good job, now color the piglet leg. Color the leg just like you color the hands. Look how cute it's looking. Now use reddish pink color and color the piglet ear. If you don't have the color, then you can also use dark pink color. Color the outline and don't color the outside of the drawing. Color both the ear and look how beautiful it's looking. Now use the color and color the piglet body. Draw some curved line, but leave some space. Color and leave some part, like this. Well done, it's looking very great. Lastly, draw a cute pig nose. Draw it like a triangle, and it's done. Good job, now use purple color and color the body. Color only the daft part, and it's done. Color all the three area, and don't make any mistake. Lastly, use red color and color the heart shape. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now color the other heart shape also. You can also use different colors and make the heart more cute. Color the last heart also. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. To make the drawing more shiny, use white color and make a dot in the eyes. Draw the white dot on the other eye also. Now use the white color and draw some line on the ear. Draw it like this, and look, it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. You know what? Piglet is Winnie the Pooh friend. He is very timid and shy, but he is very cute. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.